Everyone wants to grow on YouTube, but many people are worried about whether AI channels are monetized or not. So let's know in this video. Today I'm going to answer the question when you get monetized on YouTube with AI generated videos. I will not only answer the questions but also show you the methods to find the monetization status of any general you want. But first, let's take a look at the growth rate of these channels. Number 1, how to in 5 minutes. This channel has gained over 40k subscribers in just 2 months with only 26 videos. You can see that all videos are AI generated. The second channel is ChatGPT tutorial, which was created about 3 months ago and has gained over 100k subscribers. I will be making full tutorials on how to create these types of channels in the upcoming weeks. So, make sure to subscribe because you don't want to miss those videos. So there are 2 ways to determine if a channel is monetized on. The first way is to go to the channel's home page, right click instead. Hit view page source, then press Ctrl F in search as _monetization enabled. If the value is true, this means that the channel is monetized. And if the value is false, the channel is not monetized. The second and easiest way is to copy the channel link and go to this website. I will put the link in the description, then paste the link and click on check link. Now this website will automatically tell you if the general is monetized or not. So the answer is yes. AI generated videos can be monetized on YouTube as long as they meet YouTube's content guidelines and are original creations. If you want to create a short story, YouTube channel using AI, click Want These video and learn how I created a YouTube channel using only AI. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next.